Stop for a moment. Before you reach for that pack of chips or soda, think about what you're actually feeding your body. Every day, billions of people, especially older adults, choose convenience over care. We fill our shopping baskets with quick snacks that seem harmless until the blood sugar spikes, the fatigue hits, and our bodies begin to feel heavier and weaker over time. But what if I told you that you don't need to give up snacking, you just need to snack smarter? In this video, stop buying junk. Try these easy and quick snacks to make at home. Healthy, tasty, and ready in minutes. I'll show you 5 easy and quick healthy snacks to make at home. Snacks that heal your body, boost your energy, and take less than 5 minutes to prepare. Stay to the end because the last one might just become your new favorite habit. Now remember to like the video, subscribe to Green Health, and turn on your notification bell to get updates on our newest uploads. The truth about junk food and why it hooks you. Let's be real. Junk food feels good. The crunch, the salt, the sweetness, it's comfort in a bite. But here's the trick. It's designed to make you crave more. Food manufacturers carefully combine sugar, fat, and salt to activate dopamine, your brain's feel-good chemical. So, every time you eat processed snacks like chips or cookies, your brain gets a reward hit, but your body gets nothing. Instead of nutrition, you're giving your body empty calories, preservatives, and additives that inflame your gut, weaken your immune system, and accelerate aging. Over time, this reward trap leads to fatigue, stubborn belly fat, and even mood swings. But there's hope. When you switch to natural homemade snacks, your body starts to detox, your cravings fade, and your energy stabilizes throughout the day. That's because real food heals. Snack 1. Banana Nut Power Bites. This first snack is perfect when you're craving something sweet and filling. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter, 1 teaspoon chia seeds or crushed walnuts. How to make it: mash the banana, stir in oats, peanut butter, and seeds, roll into small bite-sized balls, and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Why it's powerful? Bananas fuel you with potassium and natural sugar for steady energy. Oats add fiber to stabilize blood sugar. Peanut butter offers healthy fats for brain and heart health. Chia seeds provide omega-3s to reduce inflammation. This one snack gives you the energy to get through your day without caffeine or sugar crashes. Snack 2. Veggie sticks with yogurt dip. We all crave crunch, and this is how to satisfy it the healthy way. What you'll need: carrot sticks, cucumber slices, celery or bell pepper strips, ½ cup of plain Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lemon juice, salt, pepper, and chopped herbs like parsley or mint. How to make it: mix the yogurt, lemon juice, and seasoning in a small bowl, dip and crunch away. Why it works? Greek yogurt gives you probiotics for gut health and calcium for strong bones. Veggies are rich in water, fiber, and antioxidants that support digestion and immunity. The crunch triggers satisfaction signals in your brain, keeping you full and happy. No guilt, no preservatives, just clean fuel your body recognizes and loves. Snack 3. Apple peanut butter sandwiches. If you love something slightly sweet with a satisfying crunch, this snack is perfect. Ingredients: 1 crisp apple, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, unsweetened, cinnamon or crushed nuts, optional. How to make it: slice the apple into thin rings, spread peanut butter on 1 slice, sprinkle cinnamon or nuts, then top it with another slice, like a mini sandwich. Why is healing? Apples contain pectin, a fiber that helps lower cholesterol and improve gut health. Peanut butter offers plant protein and healthy fats that stabilize blood sugar. Cinnamon supports heart and brain health and helps reduce sugar cravings. Each bite gives you the sweetness you want with the nutrition your body needs. Snack 4. Sweet corn salad. This one's for the savory lovers. It's light, refreshing, and full of vitamins. Ingredients: 1 cup boiled sweet corn, half chopped tomato, half chopped onion, fresh cilantro, a drizzle of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. How to make it? Mix all ingredients in a bowl and toss well. Serve fresh or chilled. Why it's powerful. Corn gives fiber and antioxidants for heart and eye health. Tomatoes provide lycopene, which protects against inflammation. Olive oil offers healthy fats that help absorb vitamins. Lemon juice boosts vitamin C and freshness. This snack is a natural energy booster, especially great for hot days or quick lunches. Snack 5. Dark chocolate and nuts trail mix. Sometimes you just need something sweet, and this is the perfect guilt-free fix. Ingredients: a handful of almonds or cashews, a few raisins or cranberries, small dark chocolate chunks, 70% cocoa or more. How to make it? Mix all ingredients in a bowl and store in an airtight jar. Grab a handful whenever cravings strike. Why it's healing. Dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants that support heart and brain function. Nuts are rich in protein, magnesium, and healthy fats. Dried fruits add natural sweetness and fiber. This mix boosts mood, supports focus, and satisfies your sweet tooth, all while protecting your heart. Gratitude. Thanking God for the gift of health. Every good and perfect gift comes from above, including your body and the food that sustains it. When you prepare a healthy snack, take a moment to thank God for the miracle of your body, every heartbeat, every cell, every breath. Thank Him for the fruits of the earth, for the nuts, grains, and seeds that bring healing and strength. Food isn't just fuel, it's a divine partnership between you and your Creator. He provided natural foods for your wellness, and when you choose to eat right, you're honoring that gift. So today, let your kitchen become your sanctuary. Cook with gratitude, eat with joy, because when you care for your body, you're showing love to the one who made it. Your snack time, your healing time. Healthy eating isn't about perfection, it's about intention. Every time you choose homemade snacks over junk, you send a message to your body. I value you. I'm choosing healing. Start with just one of these snacks today, then another tomorrow. Soon you'll notice better energy, smoother digestion, clearer skin, and a sense of peace in your body. So, the next time you're tempted to buy junk, remember, you can make something even better, faster, and cheaper right at home. Which snack will you try first? Comment below. If you've watched till now and you are yet to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your notification on, please do that now so you don't miss any video on this channel. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green health cares.